Hey, what's up? Alright, so yesterday we went and got the rotisserie chicken, pulled the breast off of it, and picked the meat, and we made chicken enchiladas with them. So I still have the legs and the wings and, oddball pieces of meat that I got from, what do you call it, the carcass? I don't know. Anyways, I got some mashed potatoes, I got stuffing, I got some corn. I was thinking of trying to put it together kind of like a shepherd's pie type of deal or something, and then make like some bomb-ass chicken gravy to pour on it. So, I don't know. Let's give it a shot. Dumbass didn't hit record. So that means you guys don't get to see me stuff my face today. Pretty much clean plater award here. Well, even though you missed it, it was fantastic. Alright, well I guess it's a done deal. I'm stuffed now. Time to get to drinking. I'm glad you swung through the trailer hood. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.
Bye.